everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik again. So the plans that we had together yesterday, it did not actually executed. So today we have a little update for you guys for the selling plans. Okay, for the buying plan, we will check if there's another confirming signals or not. Alright, so let's go straight to the charts. So here we go. These were the plan that we had yesterday, which was selling gold at 1917, but the price did not really go there. It went up only to about 1914, so we missed around like 300 points. So we will need to update this plan for sure. Okay, and for the buying plan, maybe it will stay the same. So let's remove all the drawings and let's go through from the daily time frame together. So in the daily time frame, the price have now turned itself into an uptrend already. So be careful on selling, but we are now at our supply zone in the weekly time frame, if you remember. So we have the supply zone from the weekly time frame here, and that's around the same region as the daily time frame. And what about the demand zone? So for the demand zone of the daily time frame, it is going to be this little tiny one here. What else do we have? Another thing that we have in this time frame is actually the QM sale, if you remember. So the price is now being stuck in this QM sell pattern at around 61.8 to 78.6% of our Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so we are now in our QM sell of the daily time frame. But as I said yesterday, this QM sell is really risky, very dangerous, because it is a reversal point. Okay, it is not going the same way as the trend, so you need to be careful on this. Alright, so let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we have a more clearer picture on where the demand is in this 4 hours time frame. So we have this demand zone, the same one that we drew yesterday, okay, and this supply zone. So we have this supply zone, very strong one. Wait, let me check. So if you tell from the price pattern, we have a very big red bearish candlestick here, which is quite a lot of selling power. But what happened was it was formed during the non-farm payrolls report. So I would say this selling power is not that reliable. Why is that? Because it might just be the panicking thing going on. It might not be the the true supply that it showed on the chart. Okay, so the supply zone is weak, but this demand zone is weak as well because it was formed from the report again. So both demand and supply, they are all weak. So for both of the zones here, you will need a confirming signals to execute your order. Very important. Alright, so for the selling plans, we're going to be waiting for the reversal signals, which is the classic divergence as well, the same as yesterday, but we need to update the swing, which give us a little bit different price point from yesterday. And what we had for today is around 1920. Okay, if you want to make it a round number, but you can reduce a little bit for the spread, which is going to be around 1919 point something. All right, but I'll give you the round number just for very easy for you to remember. To what point that we could go for selling? To 1926. Okay, so this border is around 600 points. And what about the buying plan? So for the buying plan, we have this as well. If you remember, we have this 1890, which is a very strong, support. It was used as a resistance for quite a lot of time. So the price break out this resistance and it's going to turn itself into a very strong support at 1890. Okay, and at this demand zone, you will need the confirming signals, same thing as the classic divergence here. So I can't give you the exact number around here. You need to wait for our Telegram. Alright, so these are the plans for today. Very easy, like very similar to yesterday's plan, but I am now to update you on the selling plans. Alright, so that's done for today. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow me on the Bravo Trade Academy global fan page, which I will be posting on the trading tutorials in English if you want to know what strategies that we had. Okay, so I'll see you in there. People are trying to interrupt me quite a lot now and I've got to go. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.